Hey guys, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited for this video because this is the second year I will be hosting Friendsgiving with Dante. If you haven't watched the video, make sure you watch it. I'll leave it down below in the description box. But I feel like I've learned a lot since the first time hosting at our house. It honestly was a little overwhelming the first time. I feel like I did a lot of stuff. Like, it was just me and Dante just doing a lot of stuff by ourselves. So this year, I'm working smarter, not harder. I also feel like this is an appropriate video this year to, now that I have the experience under my belt of like hosting a party at my house, I definitely want to give you guys some tips on how to host a party at home, especially with the holiday season coming up. I feel like a lot of people will be hosting things in their house. So hopefully some of these things are helpful. So I'm gonna take you guys to the party prep as usual, but let's talk for a little bit. So I've already kind of prepped for the most part for this party. I feel like prep is so important for any party that you're doing, and that's one thing I can say I did really good about last year was just prepping in advance. So making sure that at least a month in advance you send out invites to people so they can plan. You have your guest list so people can plan like accordingly. Also too, you have like a menu of like what you're serving before you send out your invites to your guests, so your guests can know what to expect and they can know what to bring. I did like a what to bring list. I'm not really a big fan of potlucks. I'm just not, okay? Like, I just don't like it. I feel like, you know, if someone has like a dish and they're running late, like then you're waiting on that person. I'd rather just provide everything for everybody. I feel like it just makes it easier to just kind of provide the food so you don't have to worry about someone bringing something important. But one thing I did do this year is not do desserts. So I'm having all my friends like bring desserts or drinks or things like that, and of course it's always BYOB. So I feel like that's a good thing to like consider when you're planning something, having like a what to bring list so guests know like what to expect, but also they know what you're gonna be serving, so they kind of know what to expect too as well for food. Also, planning party decor and setup in advance is so key. I'm doing my setup tonight, so I definitely will be bringing you guys along with that process, as well as I got some little decor items this year. So I went on Amazon. I'll leave everything, like I said, down below in the description box. If you like anything, definitely cop it from Amazon, but definitely plan in advance, okay? Just the key is just to plan, okay? You gotta plan in advance so you're not stressed, because hosting is a little overwhelming sometimes, so you just want to make sure that you have everything planned in advance. All right, so it's a day before the party right now. I'm actually about to do some grocery shopping. That's another tip for you guys. Make sure you grocery shop the day before. And honestly, you maybe can do it 2 days before, but I like to do it the day before so everything is fresh. So I'm gonna go to Costco, Publix, and probably Kroger as well. Hit up all those, get everything I need. I also, a little hack, okay? A little hack. I also catered a couple things because your girl is just trying to make it easy on herself this year, okay? So I catered a couple things. Who gonna know? Who gonna know, okay? Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna say anything. So honestly, I like probably recommend getting some things prepackaged. Some things I'm like, you know, use your discretion, but not all things prepackaged. I feel like, you know, some things I like to make fresh, okay? But if I can take a lot of load off of me from prepping, especially just for a party, then I'm gonna do it. This year, actually, I didn't tell you guys my theme. Okay, wait, so in the midst of planning your party and having the decor and things like that, I feel like you gotta come up with a theme. I'm doing Friendsgiving, and I feel like the typical Friendsgiving is doing like typical Thanksgiving food. And trust me, I love me some Thanksgiving food. I'm from the South. I want collard greens, I want ham, I want turkey, I want macaroni and cheese, I want dressing, I want all of it, okay? But I feel like, you know, why do that for Friendsgiving when you're gonna have that when you go to your family's house or, you know, wherever you have Thanksgiving? So this year, I feel like to keep costs economical and to do something fun, I want to do a taco bar. So I'm doing the taco bar. I'm doing chicken, shrimp, turkey, and then also providing toppings and different shells and also queso, all the things, okay? It's gonna be all the fixing, fajita peppers, everything that you want will be there, because I'm extra like that, okay? So anyway, like I said, I catered some of it, not the meat, because I'm gonna cook the meat, but I catered like the queso, the pico, the things I don't wanna cut, corn salsa, chips, all those things. So I'll have Dante pick that up tomorrow, but today I'm gonna go to Costco with my mom, because Costco really is that girl to get bulk items for parties. So we're gonna go do that and see what we can find. So let's get into it. back from the grocery store. Honestly, I went to Costco, Publix, and Kroger, like I said. Costco didn't like have what I thought they would have. Only got like maybe like 3 items from there. I felt like I was gonna get the bulk of like the stuff from Costco, but I really didn't. So anyway, I am going to unload all the groceries, and probably once I do that, start to finish cleaning the downstairs in my house. That is kind of like another tip as well too, making sure that you're like putting yourself on a cleaning schedule. So I've been on the cleaning schedule for the entire week. So it honestly is not too much I need to clean. So I've been cleaning like the baseboards, windows, all the things like throughout the week. And now I'm gonna like really just kind of do the final clean to make sure the house is fresh and smells nice. When guests come in, you don't want your house smelling tangy, okay? Like clean your house before you entertain. I don't know, I'm really big on like aromas. When people are coming to your house and they're eating and you're entertaining, like you gotta clean your house. Like deep clean your house before you entertain. So I am gonna finish that tonight, do like a little nightly clean, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. All right, it is the next day, and I literally like cleaned the house last night. It smells so good in here. So, and also I did a little setup, as you can see right here. So I just cleared out everything that's usually right here, and kind of did like a little pre-setup to see like what exactly would go where. I think I have a general idea where the food is gonna go, but my mom is actually about to come in a second to help me out. But let me show you guys generally what I have. So here's the general setup. Obviously this is not the real setup, but generally this is what I'm gonna set up. The taco bar. I also got some menus printed as well too, so people know like exactly what is being served. So not only will it be labeled, but when they get their plate and stuff over here and their taco holders and all the things, the menu will actually be like right here, so they can kind of know what to expect when they go over to the bar. I am setting up the drink station right here, so all the garnish, there'll be like a sign as well too for like the drink bar. So all that will be over here on top of the dessert as well too. So nobody's gonna actually be using this door. This is the garage door, so that's why I put it right here before anyone says anything. Yes, there's a door here. No one will be using it, so just mind your business. But yeah, so this is kind of what that looks like. Obviously I have the liquor in front of everything, but you guys will see the final reveal. And then I'm gonna put like a Friendsgiving sign above it, so I think that'll be really cute. All right, and so this is where I am gonna put the extra seating. So my mom is probably gonna help me with the decor. I already have these like little linen white tablecloths. I'll leave some down below in the description box for you guys to order if you're interested in that thing. I also got these disposable trash cans, which if you're entertaining or hosting anything in your house, get these, okay? Get these. These are so convenient. You can throw away the bag and container when you're done with it, and I mean, that's all you need. So get these if you're having a party. These are so useful, and it just makes the event a lot easier, and it makes it to where people won't ask you like where the trash can is a million times. Like I have 3 of these, so I'm gonna place them like multiple places around the house so people will actually see them and know to actually throw their trash away in one of these. So anyway, have these and some like little decor items over here. So when my mom gets here, she'll probably help me with that. So that's kind of essentially the setup. I also have like little games and stuff. That's like another tip. Make sure that you like plan out your entertainment for the party too, because you don't want to just like be sitting there and staring at each other. So we're really big on spades here, okay? Like we love spades. So there's gonna be like a whole little spades tournament going on here once we eat and do all that after. But we also have like little games and stuff. So for the girls and all that good stuff. So yeah, just get you some board games, some card games to make your party poppin', okay? Because nobody wants to be bored and staring at each other the whole time. Guess who's here to help me? You love being here. Don't do that.
You love it here.
You love it here. All right, so we're about to prep all the food and stuff for the party. That's like one of my other tips too, like enlist some help, okay? Because planning a party and just kind of throwing something at your house is a lot. So of course me and Dante, like we did a lot by ourselves, but my mom so graciously volunteered to help us. So she's helping me with like more with the food prep and things like that. So right now I'm just prepping the chicken right now. I was gonna do it last night, but I was so tired, and yeah, I just didn't have any. So the chicken should have enough time to marinate over a couple hours, probably like 5 hours or so, so it should be good. And then we're just gonna prep all the other stuff that we can right now. That's the thing about a taco bar, like you want things to be kind of fresh, so I don't want to prep too in advance, but it'll be fine. Things like this take like not that long to cook, so let's get to the prepping. All right, y'all, we're making progress. Got the drinks pre-prepped already here in the fridge. I already prepped the black beans and the ground turkey. We're grilling the chicken and shrimp, so my mom and Dante are out there getting the grill ready. Well, really Dante, my mom's just, I don't know what my mom's doing. She's everywhere. But we also got these cute little signs. I'm so excited. So for the taco bar, how cute is this little drink bar sign right here as well? I made all this on Canva, so super easy to make. But right now we got a little dilemma. It's my fault. I think I put too much water in the rice, so my mom is trying to help me fix it. I just leave it to me. We really want to just go buy the new thing of rice, but that's it. After we do the rice, we're pretty much kind of done with everything except the chicken and shrimp. And yeah.
Friendsgiving right now. What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Amber.
She invited me. Amber. She invited me over to her Friendsgiving, and guys,
what we have here is a taco bar. So we have all the fixings here.
You see that guac?
Yes, the guac, the cheese.
Yikes! You wish you were here. You wish you were here.
And then if you turn around,
oh, that's what it's what? It's Friendsgiving.